Hello everyone and welcome to this full video breakdown. Today I'll be teaching you how the phone accessory business in Nigeria can bring you daily sales between 7,000 naira to 12,000 naira consistently. This video is for those who want to start small or those who have already started but they are not getting daily sales yet. I'm going to explain everything in a very simple English that you can easily understand. Before we start, I want you to pay attention because everything I will say in this video is very important. Phone accessory is one of the fastest moving businesses in Nigeria today. Every day, people are buying phone chargers, they are buying phone earpiece, they are buying screen guard, they are buying pouches, they are buying power bank. Why? Because phones have become a part of daily life, and no matter the economy, as long as people are using phones, accessory will continue to sell. Phones will get spoiled, screen guard break, charger gets bad, earphone get missing, power bank finish, so people will always buy again and again. This is why this business has daily sales potential. So start with fast moving item. When you want to make your daily sales of 7,000 naira to 12,000 naira, you don't start with slow moving items. You start with the product that sell every single day. Examples like phone chargers, USB cables, earpiece and earbud, screen guard, pouch, charging head, memory card and power bank. These items do not need too much convincing. People buy them because they already know they need them. Now let us break down how 7,000 naira to 12,000 naira can be achieved each day. For example, if you sell 3 chargers at 2,000 naira each, two earpiece at 1,000 naira each, 4 screen guard at 800 naira each, 2 40s at 1,500 each. Your total can come to around 10,000 naira or even more. This is not hard to achieve if you are in a busy environment. Another factor now is where to buy your stock. To reach this daily sales target, your buying price must be cheap because the cheaper you buy, the better your profit. Here are some major places you can buy your phone accessory at a very cheaper rate. We have the Alaba International Market, which I have explained it in my video. We have the Computer Village in Ikeja. We have Trade Fair in Lagos. We have Sabon Geri Market in Kano, and we have Aba Market in Abia. Even if you are not close to these cities I just mentioned, you can buy from trusted seller online. You can find them on WhatsApp group, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram sale, gg.ng, Jumia, but always confirm reviews from other people who have already bought this item first before you buy. Now, where to sell? You don't need a big shop to make 7,000 naira to 12,000 naira daily. You can start selling in places like busy junction, bus stops, motor parks, inside offices, school areas, churches, malls, hospital area. So anywhere you can sell these things and you'll be making your money. Or even if you cannot be able to sell it in all this, you can stay at home and even online, go online and sell them. You can use your WhatsApp status, Facebook Marketplace, WhatsApp group, Instagram, all these places. You can get a potential customer there. People buy where there is conveniences. You understand? Now, let's talk about the customer relationship. If you want people to keep buying from you, you must treat customers well. I've been saying it. Be honest. Do not sell fake product as original. Explain things clearly. Give small discounts sometimes. All these things are what make customers to, come back again and again. An upsell strategy. This is where smart sellers make their daily target faster. If someone buy a screen guard, also offer them a small pot. If someone buy a charger, Also talk to them about a power bank. One sale should open the door for another for more sales. This is how your daily income rises. Phone accessory business is not a magic. It is a business that works with simple strategy. If you sell fast moving items, buy at a good wholesale price, sell in a busy area, treat customers well, use offset strategy, you can make 7,000 naira to 12,000 naira daily. It is possible and many people are already doing it. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe for more business tips. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.